Hello, this is Eric from labofcoding.com. In the last video, we looked at how to use the Python interpreter in an interactive mode. However, when you exit the interactive mode, all the code that you've written is lost. So there should be a way that we can write our code, store it, and execute it later on using Python scripts. And to do that, we can do that in editors, that is environments where we write our code, we store it in Python scripts and then execute it later on. In this video, we look at the various editors and IDEs or integrated development environments that you can use to write Python scripts or Python code. There are various text editors and IDEs that we can use to write our Python code. Text editors, these are lightweight GUI environments that we can use which provide the basic and essential functionality that is required to write code. In this case, Python code. So there are several editors that we can use, and all of these are free. The first one is idle, which ships with Python. So you can start idle and use it to write your Python code, or you can install Sublime Text, and there is Atom and Visual Studio Code. These are text editors that are quite popular in the Python world, and for any pick that you choose, you'll not be wrong. You can use any in your Python development. However, I'll be using Atom throughout the course, but if you pick something else, it will still be good. And we also have Python IDEs, that is integrated development environments. And for IDEs, they take the game of code editing a level higher by providing more powerful and intelligent functionality. So if you've mastered Python very well, it may be good to choose an IDE so that to increase your productivity. So there are several. We have PyDev, which is an integration of the Eclipse development environment. So if you are familiar with Eclipse, you might consider PyDev, which is also free. We also have PyCharm, which is by far the most popular. They have a community, that is free version and a paid version. And we have Komodo IDE, which is another good option that you can use to write your Python code. So that's it. The choice is up to you, but for this course we'll be using Atom. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.